अब आज हम पढ़ेंगे मिथाइल सेलुलोज के बारे में. Methyl cellulose it is actually a cellulose derivative synthetically produced, and if the OH group of the cellulose are replaced by OCH3 group, that is called methoxy group, then that will be called methyl cellulose. So simply these are the cellulose derivatives synthetically produced in a lab, and when all the OH groups or some of the OH groups are replaced by OCH3 group or methoxy group, then that will be called methyl cellulose. This is the OH group of the cellulose, and these OH group are replaced by OCH3 group, then that will be called methyl cellulose. OCH3 is also called OR group. So let's see in the structure of the cellulose, all the OH groups are replaced by OR or OCH3 group. You can see this is O, and the only H group is replaced by R. Look at this. All the OH groups in which is present in the cellulose are replaced by OR groups. Synthesis. How do we prepare cellulose? How do we prepare methyl cellulose from cellulose? This is cellulose. When we treat this cellulose solution with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of methyl chloride, then this cellulose will convert into methyl cellulose. But keep in mind that we will have to produce increased temperature, a high temperature. Characteristic of cellulose: below 40 degrees centigrade, it is soluble in water. Methyl cellulose below 40 degrees centigrade, it is soluble in water. Methyl cellulose above 50 centigrade, it is insoluble in water. On heating, it is converted to solid. When we produce a high heat to the methyl cellulose, then that methyl cellulose will convert into solid. And in cold water, it forms what? It forms gel. Now let's come towards the uses of methyl cellulose. It is used as a laxative. Mostly it is used as artificial tears in ophthalmic use, capsule shells, alternate of gelatin. Mostly if a person is hypersensitive to gelatin capsule, then we will have to formulate the capsule for drug delivery system. Then that will be made of methyl cellulose. Shampoos maybe ये use होता है. It is also used in toothpaste, soaps, emulsifying agent, lubricant, and binder. Glues preparation. It is also used in glues preparation, and methyl cellulose is also used in cell culture and also used in paints, etc. So this was all about the methyl cellulose. And methyl cellulose, it is the cellulose derivative which is synthetically prepared in laboratory when all the hydroxyl groups are replaced by methoxy group, then that will be called methyl cellulose.